Good morning, good time of the day. Hello. Hello, join me. Hello and welcome. Hello and welcome. Hello. Hello. How are you all today? All right. Nice to see you. All familiar faces today. All familiar faces. Wonderful. Good to have you with us. So let's sit upright. First of all, check our postures. Roll our shoulders back. Make sure that your head is just staying there. Still not moving with your shoulders, and your jaw is relaxed. And you just move your shoulders, nothing else. Back and then to the front this way. Okay, click, click, click. And up and open and close your mouth to relax the jaw. Let your jaw just hang there, just relaxed and drop. Sense of opening here in the chest. And this was our warm-up exercise for today. So, and I see some people from the Russian choir side, some people from the klezmer side, from the Yiddish side, and some people who do both in these sessions. That's wonderful. Now, I don't know if there's anyone totally new to these sessions here today. If you're new, please write something, write something in chat. We're going straight to our tune. I don't know if we will sing through 2 or 3 verses or just 1 verse today, but I think it's a lovely tune that deserves to be on this show. And it's one of my favorite songs, going back to my childhood memories, when my family used to play and sing together, all these gatherings. My aunt and my mother would sing in 2 parts, and my grandfather would play either on bayan, on the button accordion, or on piano. And this was one of these tunes. And then eventually I became accompanist to my mother, and she sang this and I played it too. So we are in B minor, which is quite a lot lower than this key, should be suitable for us all. First thing we do is we slowly sing through the tune. It goes like this. La, 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 la. One more time. It's quite twisty. You may hear me sing a slight variant of this tune. Please just stick to this or stick to what I'll be singing. Variations as always. Let's go again. La, 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 la. Next line. La, 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 la. We will do the second and the third and the fourth lines again. This one. Okay, that's your note. Let's go together. And la, la, la. Let's look at this tag. Very typical for romances, for Russian art songs. Together, last line, let's go. La, 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 la. Let's go through the whole tune. Now, I must tell you, this is not quite the tune I'm used to. And if you listen to the link, if you listen to the audio file of Vadim Kozin, who is a wonderful Russian performer with very interesting life history. There was a show on him on BBC a couple of years ago. Do type him in, it's a very interesting character. He sings a slightly different version to what we see on the screen as well. So if you don't mind me switching to something else sometimes, it may happen. Let's let's go from the beginning all the way through. Let me see your faces. How are you getting on with it? Okay? Yeah, okay. Now, I am tempted not to show you the sheet music anymore. Let's try and sing through. Yeah, it's slightly different to what I'm used to. I'll be skipping to my version all the time, and then we'll be reading our text in the text block. So I'll do this. Yeah, let's go with me like this. One more time through the tune. La, 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 How is that? All right? Yeah? Let's sing it one more time so you all really know it well. And then we will look at the music, at the sheet, at the text. It's quite emotional. It's one of these nostalgic and emotional Russian art songs, just, you know, the usual product of its time, which I love. I love the emotion and that open expression of things. One more time. I won't show you where the tune goes. Just follow me. La, 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 la. Yeah. I thought somebody said gorgeous tune, but it's gorgeous necklace. Thanks, Leslie. I hope you find the tune gorgeous too. So let's look at what is this means. I'm sharing my screen with you. Плакучие ивы. In the first line, we see Плакучие ивы. It's weeping willows. I believe it's the same thing. We also have Плакучая береза, which is a birch tree that, you know, like they hang down, the branches hang down as if they're crying. So Дремлют плакучие ивы. Weeping willows are in a dreamy, sleepy state, leaning, going over towards the stream, and the current flows swiftly. Actually, the translation is quite good here. Whispering in the darkness of the night, whispering and whispering in the darkness of the night. Now I'm going to read it. Let's read it together. I read it, then we read it together, each line. Listen. Дремлют плакучие ивы. Let's go together. Дремлют плакучие ивы. Next line. Низко склонясь над ручьем. Together. Низко склонясь над ручьем. Okay, next line. Струйки бегут торопливо. You can merge these two T's next to each other. Let's go. Струйки бегут торопливо, шепчут во мраке ночном. Together. Шепчут во мраке ночном. Last line. Шепчут, все шепчут во мраке ночном. Let's go. Шепчут, все шепчут во мраке ночном. So they're whispering, they're still yet again whispering. I think шепчут is a much better word for whisper is okay, but шепчут is yeah. Try to put it to the music now together. Let's go. Let's go. Дремлют плакучие ивы, низко склонясь над ручьем. Струйки бегут торопливо, шепчут во мраке ночном. Шепчут, все шепчут во мраке ночном. Let's do it one more time, same thing. Дремлют плакучие ивы, низко склонясь над ручьем. Струйки бегут торопливо, шепчут все в мраке ночном. Шепчут, все шепчут во мраке ночном. How's that? Let me see you. I'm unmuting you.
It's lovely to sing.
Yeah, lovely.
Lovely to sing.
Lovely.
Good. Well, I heard lovely many times. It's lovely. Great. It's a beautiful tune and kind of, it has this flow, doesn't it? It's this melodic flow like many Russian art songs. And this is the quintessential kind of melody because it has all these harmony lines, harmonies like this. They're European, but they're very much part of this Russian art song language, very much part of it. So, Chvorostovsky has a nice recording, definitely. Now, what I'm going to ask you to do is to share whatever thoughts you have on chat. I must tell you, I received quite a few messages yesterday after that concert that we had with Josh Horowitz, lots of messages, and I haven't responded to quite a few of them. So I do receive everything, I do read everything, especially in chat. That's the first thing I do after I put this file on YouTube, but I'm not, it's just a bit much. So if you need a response from me, I will respond to you if there is a way, like Facebook or email. If not, please forgive me. But please share on social media any links. Like this, for example, Chvorostovsky has a fantastic version of this. Find the Chvorostovsky, put it on your Facebook or on your Twitter, tag these sessions, that will help us, and share it with everyone else. It's a good way of spreading this music, sharing your knowledge, and please use that as well as just writing and sending me lots of links of these romances, which is great, but it doesn't go any further than just me. Good idea? You agree? Yeah, do that. That's a lovely thing. And you can also research on who else sang it, you know, do some research on these songs. They're great things, all of them. I just love them. So go back to our song. Let's sing it twice, just the first verse, just twice to get into the tune. We'll see how we got on with time. We have a few announcements to make later, so I don't want to talk too much, but now sing it one more time. Дремлют плакучие Низко склонясь над ручьем, струйки бегут торопливо, шепчут во мраке ночном, шепчут, все шепчут во мраке ночном. One more time. Дремлют плакучие ивы, низко склонясь над ручьем. Струйки бегут торопливо, шепчут во мраке ночном, шепчут, все шепчут во мраке ночном. So what I want to suggest to us is that we try and do you think you know the tune by now? Yeah? How is it? How is the tune? Tune okay?
Yes. I'll try.
Yeah, I think most of us got the tune by now. I think we could try singing all of it without speaking it through. How about that? We've never done that before. So those of you who don't run fast with the Russian language can la it all the way through. Those who can sing Russian, sing it with everyone else, sing it with me all the way through, okay? So let's just see what it says here in the song. It's quite nostalgic. So in the second verse, думы, thoughts, and then they're just not thoughts, they are, думы is more than thoughts, they're like reflections. They're like, they're reflections, I guess, yeah, about my past, faraway past. These willows, they evoke in me, and with my сердцем, we know the word сердце from сердце, тебе не хочется, the Russian tango we sang some time ago. Сердце больным, which is pained and одинокий, lonely. I'm torn towards these days of the past. You know, my heart tears me towards these days. Yeah, does that make sense? So I want to go back to these days of the past. Yeah, of these days far gone. And then in the last one, it becomes about love, or it becomes about, you know, it can be a family person. I think it's about love. Where are you, my beloved one? And Golubka in this, it's a comparison with a dove. Golubka is usually often used in Russian to refer to someone you love. You're my golubchik, or you're my golubka, your dove, or pigeon, but it's kind of the same word in Russian. It's a bird, my little fagala, right? Where are you, my dove, my beloved darling? Do you remember me even? Are you like me? The pine is the new word I learned today. Are you in pain? Do you pine as I do in that faraway land, in a faraway place? Which is quite relevant to us today. If you're torn away from somebody you love, use it as therapy, okay? Let's do it. So I will sing it with, you know, the way I sing Russian, la la la, or sing with me, whatever you can do, yeah? All the way from the beginning. Дремлют плакучие ивы, низко склонясь над ручьем, струйки бегут торопливо, шепчут во мраке ночном, шепчут, все шепчут во мраке ночном. Думы о прошлом далеком не навевают они.
Yeah, you know bread.
Сердце больным одиноким, врусь я все прежние дни.
Fucking boomers, boomers.
Скоро врусь я в те прежние дни. Где ты, голубка родная?
Shut up, boomer! Boomer! Boomer!
Помнишь ли ты обо мне? Так же, как я, изнывая, плачешь в чужой стороне, плачешь, рыдаешь в чужой стороне.